Hey, what's up, guys? I had recently made a video on how you can buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies from UAE. If you haven't seen that video, I highly recommend that you do go check it out. But if you have seen that and you want a little bit more information, then this is the video for you. Because today, not only am I going to show you my Bitoasis account, but I'm also going to take you through the features of the platform and get you an overall understanding of the platform. If you're excited for this video, don't forget to turn the like button blue and subscribe to my channel down below. You're of course watching Boss Your Money with Anthony. Let's get straight into the video. So there you have it. This is the Bitoasis platform. Now, before we get started, I do have another website that I use all the time when I invest in cryptocurrencies, and that is CoinMarketCap. This is CoinMarketCap, and as you can see, it shows you all the information you need to know before you get started on investing in cryptocurrencies. It shows you all the data, it shows you all the graphs, it shows you the 24-hour movement, it shows you the 7-day movement. And as you can see, we have been doing very well in terms of growth in cryptocurrencies in the last 7 days especially. Bitcoin is up 13% in just 7 days. Ethereum is up 32%, and Ripple has almost doubled its value in 7 days. And this is exactly why I did recommend in my previous video that you do consider investing a little bit in cryptocurrencies. As we move through this video, you will see that I don't invest a lot of money in cryptocurrencies because it is a very high risk investment just because of how volatile the market is. And this graph shows you just that. Just because Ripple has doubled its value in 7 days does not by any means mean that it's going to continue to go up in value. Having said that, it does not mean that it's not going to go up in value as well. That's one of the most important things that you need to understand and be mentally prepared before you start investing in cryptocurrencies. I've made a couple of other videos on a platform called Sarva. If you haven't seen that, please do check it out, because Sarva lets you invest in the US stock market from UAE. Because if you haven't started investing at all, I would recommend to you that you start with something like Sarva before you start with cryptocurrencies, because you definitely want to secure your finances first and invest in index funds and exchange traded funds before you jump into cryptocurrencies. I will leave the links you need in the description below to the Sarva platform and to my YouTube video on Sarva. Please be sure to check it out. Now, if you click on Bitcoin, it does show you a lot more data that you might need to actually make an informed decision on whether you want to invest or not. So going back to the Bitoasis platform, you can see right now that my portfolio is 958 dirhams. On the left hand side, you can see a bunch of different menu options. You can see dashboard, which is where we are at right now. Accounts shows you exactly how much money you have in each different account. So if you have dirhams in your Bitoasis platform, it's going to show you the dirham value of the account. If you have Bitcoin, it's going to show you that, and it's also going to show you every single other cryptocurrency that you own. Accounts also allows you to deposit and withdraw all kinds of currencies, that is fiat currency as well as cryptocurrencies. Fiat currency is what we call any regular currency that we usually use on a day-to-day basis. Things like AED and USD are called fiat currencies. The next section is called core buy and sell, and what this allows you to do is simply buy or sell a cryptocurrency. It's as simple as that, and we will go into each of these tabs one by one and show you as well. I just wanted to give you a quick overview before we start that. Pro Exchange gives you a lot more features when it comes to buying and selling cryptocurrencies, and I will go in depth when we go into that tab. Now, the Bitoasis platform as an investment platform needs you to verify yourself, and that is what is there in the verification tab. In the dashboard, you can see your current portfolio on exactly what you own. You can scroll down here and see if you own any other cryptocurrencies as well. You can also see the recent activity on your platform. On the right side, you have the option to set price alerts, which means you can basically set an alert on Bitoasis to let you know when the price goes up or down. So you can let them know whether you want it to go below a certain amount or above a certain amount. You can let them know whether you want to be notified by SMS or email, and all you have to do is click on activate. You also have the option to be notified if there is a percentage increase or decrease on any of your holdings. At the bottom of the screen, you can see a very brief chart of any of the cryptocurrencies that you choose. So right now you can see Bitcoin. You can just click on this and go down to Ethereum, and you can see the Ethereum charts as well, and so on and so forth. Now I want you to remember the portfolio value that I have. As you can see, right now it is 958.67 AED. The reason I recommend this platform is because I've been using this platform for a long time, and I'm going to show you that right now. Let's head on into the account section, and I'm going to show you right now my dirham deposit history. Now, as you can see, I deposit my first 1,000 dirhams into the platform way back on 2nd July 2017. And recently, just a couple of weeks ago, I've added a further 500 dirhams into my Bitoasis account. Let's go back into the accounts tab, and I'll show you my withdrawal history. This is how much I've withdrawn. So as you have just seen, I had deposited 9,300 dirhams, and you can see now that I've taken out over 15,000 dirhams. So yes, cryptocurrency investing has definitely paid me back a lot. And this is exactly one of the reasons why I highly encourage all of you to try it out, but only after you check out my previous video, because in that video I tell you why you should invest, but also when and how you should invest. Please do not put all your money into cryptocurrency because it can drop just as fast as it goes up. I also want to show you real quick how you can withdraw your cryptocurrencies into a different cryptocurrency wallet. If you don't know what a cryptocurrency wallet is, do let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll make a separate video on that. Now, every time you want to withdraw a cryptocurrency, you have what is called a wallet address. So you can go ahead right here and click on withdraw, and you need to enter here the wallet address that is exactly as is in your recipient wallet. Make sure that you don't make any mistakes on that. Make sure it is exactly the same, because if you don't, it's going to go into someone else's wallet. The same applies for any other cryptocurrency. Now let's move on to core buy and sell. Here you can either buy or sell your cryptocurrency, and it's very simple. The core buy and sell option is for beginners. You just have to select whether you want to buy Bitcoin with AED, Ethereum with AED, and so on and so forth. Now let's move on to the Pro Exchange. Now, as you can see, the Pro Exchange can look quite daunting at first glance when you look at it, but it doesn't have to be difficult at all. Your research is going to be from CoinMarketCap. All you're going to want to do from here is use the facility on your left side where it says order type. Order type lets you choose between market order, limit order, and stop limit order. And likewise, when it comes to selling, Bitoasis allows you all the different options, like selling at the current market price, a limit order, or a stop limit order. Now, these are advanced buying and selling techniques, but they will definitely help you in getting a better price for your cryptocurrencies. Now, here's the really cool part. Not only can you buy your cryptocurrency using dirhams and sell your cryptocurrency for dirhams, you can also buy Ripple using the Bitcoin that you have, as an example. So at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there is a button called Select Pair. Here you can select the currency that you want to trade with. So in my case, I have a little bit of Bitcoin left on my portfolio. So I'm going to go and select Bitcoin. And as you can see, I have every single currency available to me that I can buy or sell using Bitcoin. So for this example, I'm going to show you Ethereum and Bitcoin pair. So what we're going to have to do is select market order. We're not going to set a limit for this example. And we're going to go down to Ethereum amount, and we're going to select 100% of my Bitcoin in Ethereum. So right now, if I sell all of my Bitcoin, and I can just click on this place market buy order. And if I do click it, my entire Bitcoin balance of 0.002588 is going to sell, and I'm going to be buying 0.07999 Ethereum in place of my Bitcoin. You cannot do this if you're using the core buy and sell option. So these are the really cool two features that you get with the Pro dashboard that you don't get with the core. So now here we are back at the dashboard, and I'm going to show you the last option on the left side of the screen, which is verification. You need to verify your account to be able to trade with Bitoasis, but don't worry, it's all over your phone or computer. It's very simple and it doesn't take a lot of time at all. Depending on how much you want to invest, how much you want to deposit and withdraw, you need to either verify on a tier 1, tier 2 or tier 3 level. As you can see, I'm verified for tier 2, but if you do plan to invest a lot more, then I do recommend that you verify yourself on a tier 3 level. Each verification tier has different requirements because the more you invest, the more documentation they will need to verify you. So that is my detailed overview of the Bitoasis platform and how I personally do my investing in cryptocurrencies. I do hope I've made myself very clear in trying to explain this platform to you. If you do have any questions at all, feel free to let me know in the comment section. So there you have it, guys. That is how I personally invest with Bitoasis, and that is how Bitoasis as a platform works. If you are interested in buying cryptocurrencies, I highly recommend that you check out this platform. They are very, very good as far as my personal experience goes. And as I said, if you haven't seen my previous video on Bitcoin and Bitoasis, I highly recommend that you do check that out. Links are in the description. Or if you're ready to jump in and start investing right away with Bitoasis, I will leave a link to that as well in the description below so you can get started right away. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to turn the like button blue and subscribe to my channel down below, because all I do on this channel is give you personal finance tips and tricks and how you can increase your wealth. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.